Usually, when I'm putting together a raw food idea for you guys, I'm usually putting things together that I don't make a routine habit of eating myself, but are still perfectly acceptable on a healthy raw food diet. Today, I don't want to do that. Today, I want to give you an example of a meal that I'm much more likely to make for myself on those occasional days where I feel like including some vegetables and I'm not really considering my YouTube audience or catering to the conventional preference for flavor tempests in a meal. This is just purely and honestly what I would consider an Eli Martyr veggie inclusive meal that I would use when the camera's not rolling. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This meal has 3 ingredients: pears, celery, and tomatoes. That's it. Nothing flashy, nothing fancy, no need for a sauce, no need for a dressing of any kind. I'm using just the natural juices in these ingredients themselves. No hyper-stimulated flavors or flavor combining. No need to go buy hundreds of individual herbs or spices to add. Nothing. No blender needed, no time-consuming anything. This is not those raw food meals that are going to take you an hour to prepare. They look great, but my goodness, kill me. It takes so much time. No, this is done in seconds. You need a mandolin. Well, you don't need a mandolin, but it makes it 10 times easier. So get a mandolin. The one I had a nice container, so it contains all of the shredded food, and it just makes it easier. It just makes it really, really neat and tidy and organized. So you just need a mandolin, then you mandolin up your celery, your pears, and then slice some tomatoes, and that's it. Boom, you are done. This time, I can't say for sure that this meal is gonna blow your socks off. I can't say that because this is a meal for the true raw foodist, right? This is the meal for the person that has reformed their palate and come back home and resensitized their nervous system to be perfectly satisfied and happy with the natural flavors that come from simple foods. And I know most raw vegan channels wouldn't dream of giving you a recipe this barbarically simple, but I'm the master of simplicity. What can I say? This is why you come to the Freemelon Society, okay? I might not even add the pears. Just mandolin up the celery and dice up some tomatoes. That's something that I eat. And then I just huck a whole pear into the bowl with me, and I can just take a bite out of it randomly as I'm eating celeries and tomatoes. I don't even need the pears. It's just an accessory, right? It's all good in my world. So anyway, I hope that gives you an idea of the type of vegetable meal that I would eat when I'm not trying to impress or to cater to my YouTube audience. Hope that helps. God bless, guys.